Going on YouTube? I'm here working on a Bmw S85 M5 engine, and we were tracing down a misfire on passenger side. Customer said that they had already addressed the issue by changing the coils, spark plugs, and continued having a problem at the shop, and they couldn't figure it out, so they called me, and here I am. Turns out there's an issue here going on with the ignition control module, which is underneath a plastic cover that goes there. So on these engines, if you're getting like a constant misfire that won't go away, or it just runs rough and you have Bmw codes or misfire codes on one specific bank, and you've already changed the spark plugs and the coils and they just can't seem to find the problem, you might want to start looking at this ignition module, which is covered. One of these covers, like this, goes right on there like that, covers it up so you can't really see it. Obviously your ignition coils and spark plugs are under there, under this black cover here, but it's one thing that is overlooked. So definitely you could even try swapping them out and then see if your misfire jumps sides. But if one's going out, definitely you want to change them out in a set, because the other one's probably not far behind it. But it's on the S85 M5 engine. This is in an M6, but yeah, it's the famous M5 engine. It's a V10, which is about 500 horsepower. Drive pulley. Great motor. Well, not so great actually, because it's got a few problems in the bearings in the bottom end, but overall it's a pretty badass motor. This car that it's in. So I got the original floor mats, covers. Pretty nice. It's sitting here for a while. Couldn't figure out what was wrong with it, but I figured it out for him. And yeah, this thing up and running here pretty soon. We're gonna order up one of those modules and hopefully take care of this problem. So if you guys, like I said, are experiencing any type of like crazy misfire problems that won't go away, and they're consistent on one side, and you've already changed the coils, that's something you might want to look into, is checking out that ignition module. Swap sides with it from the left to the right and see if the misfire problem jumps. Sometimes it happens on like a cold start right away, or sometimes you'll have it happen once the engine warms up. After a few minutes it'll start happening intermittently, and then it'll become more consistent. So hopefully this guys will help you guys out with this, or hopefully this helps you guys out. Sorry, can't talk right now, I'm a little tired, but yeah, thanks for watching.